Assalamu alaikum. Sorry for it. I was working on it and I create two theme and one dark theme for our app and one light theme and for our app. And today we are going to make the settings page and we will try to change same method, our calculation method, settings and location, and that is all. This today's day is setting page, and to build the setting base we will go through Hive database. Okay, then let us move to it on it and let's go. uh, yes, here we are came to this part, and here we need to create a theme, light theme and dark theme, so we can create a folder theme data. Inside this theme data we will create a folder theme data. Inside this dart folder we will create uh, theme, light theme data. Ligst light theme is equal to um, input theme data, light theme data. Inside the theme data we need to import the material app. This is light theme and I need a dark theme. So light theme, inside light theme we have color scheme. Inside this color scheme we will pass color scheme, and inside this color scheme it takes 8, this 8. Okay, inside this color scheme give a comma and copy the color scheme again and paste it on dark theme 2, and then we have color from these two color. This primary color 98E 6cc. So this primary color of the light theme is color 0xff 98C 98E 6cc, and it is constant. Okay, then yeah, by the, and then by secondary color we have secondary color and 5 b5 f5 f0 with secondary color 0xff b5 f5 f0, and primary variant this is for icon and large text for primary variant, and color color 0xff v, and for secondary variant it has 1b2535 color 0xff 1b2535, and it is asking for more, but let us ignore constant for this file. Ignore then yes, surface, these are, I will not use this 8, but I have to give this here this 8, and by brightness also, brightness is light. So I will give random this and give these 8 color such as normally not needed surface, background, prime on primary on error color dot red, on error color dot white. Just not need in this, but primary variant is on primary, on secondary variant is on secondary, on surface is primary variant, on background is primary variant. Okay, and same here for dark theme. Primary color, I will give primary color, and I'll make this. Here I put all the color, give all the color here in color scheme, and just brightness here is dark for dark theme. Okay, then move to our to setting, may build a setting page. So I will create a folder as settings. Inside this folder I will create settings dot dart, and inside this settings dot dart I will create a stateful wizard. Inside this settings I will return scaffold and copy the settings, import the material, dart, paste the settings in here, main.dart home, import the settings, save here, save here, run the Flutter run, and choose a device, and inside scaffold we before scaffold we will declare final this color, background primary color is equal to um, theme dot of context dot uh, color scheme, color scheme, color scheme dot um, primary color, primary, and final color secondary color is equal to same here, but I will return secondary, and the same here, secondary, and copy and paste paste paste. This is large text icon, large text text, color, icon color, our secondary color is small text, Large text color is primary variant. Icon color is also primary variant, and small text color is secondary variant. Here I get the color I want, and now I can design according to my need. And here you can see. Okay, before that we go to main.dart in set material app. I need to give the theme mode dark, and this theme, and I need to give a dark theme. Here a dark theme. Inside theme I need to give the light theme, and inside dark theme I need to share dark theme. And import the light theme and dark theme data dot dart, and yes, and save. And I have theme mode dark, and if I refresh it will become dark. But we need here in settings page, we need a background color of scaffold is primary color. So primary color is the background color. If we refresh, and we can see the primary color. We need a app bar. Inside app bar we need a leading key, leading icon. In the leading, it takes a wizard, and its icon, I will pass icon default icon of Flutter, arrow left iOS, arrow back iOS new. Okay, I rounded. Yes, iOS new. And then if we refresh, we will get the, and we elevation of app bar is 0, and then we under it we pass a body inside the scaffold. Our body, inside this body we will pass a column. Inside this column there is children, where we need to give that these children, and then we will pass text, and a text contains the writing settings, and it text style, the text style, and inside text style we will pass the color of our primary not or primary variant, which is a large text icon. Mm, a large text color, sorry, large text color. And then we will pass the what we will pass the font size, 36. And if we save, and we'll get and this, but we need the settings more in the light side a little, and we'll um, wrap this column with padding, not using sector at all, is semantically symmetric, and this horizontal with this I think 16 is or 30 is more better, and a little more, or let it go. and then after that we will pass. After that we need something like we need this is the button, and button is which is drop down button, and this drop down button takes item is drop down button menu item, and this drop down button menu item takes a children a text yes TM, and we need to and another twist system light, and another drop down menu item is uh, dark. When and inside this drop down button value is theme data. Theme data dot uh, value is initial value is theme mode, sorry, theme mode is dark system, and it takes theme mode. Here inside this drop down menu item it has a value, its value is a theme mode dot system, and value for this light is theme mode dot light, and value for this dark is theme mode dot dark. And yeah, after that we will get make constant for the file, and ignore constant and ignore for the file. After that pass a refresh, and here we get the drop down menu button, and but there is nothing here, and pass something, it do not. Okay, uh, on change it takes something new value, and I need to do something with that, and I can change now. You can see dark light and other things. By the way, make it expand true, and if you refresh you will see it extend like that. It has style, and which is text style. Here you can pass text style. Inside this text style you can pass the color of the text. Our color is large text color, and you can pass your font size, and font size is suppose 20 or more, and here I will where after that yeah this color is focus density menu height underline. I do not need underline, so we will pass empty sized box and it will remove the underline. And then we need drop down color is the um, color is secondary color. Here you can see secondary color. We will wrap this drop down button with now wrap this drop down button with what we'll wrap this button with wizard or container. Inside container you can pass a box decoration. Inside this box decoration we can pass the color is secondary color. Inside this, and we can pass the hand border here. Border is border dot all, and inside this border dot all we will pass the color is, and with color is small text color, and border with what it missing is a bracket, I think. We need a width of 2, and we need another thing. We need padding inside this container. Padding is suppose I see, 8 in sets dot symmetrics, and symmetrics is horizontally padding of 10. Yeah, and and to now we will check if the theme is changing, is working or not. To check it we need to import Hive. Before that, okay, we need a Hive, so go to the YAML file and import this package. Hive packages, Hive generator, and Hive Flutter, and we need this another package build runner. Save it, and the package is successfully run. Then we will create a folder inside leave hive object, and inside this we will create setting object dot dart. Inside this setting object we will create a class settings object, and extend from hive object. I think pubspec.yaml didn't run, and now we need hive object. Hive object, and then yes, and then we need a here right hive type, and the rate of hive type, and then type id is 0, hive field 0, and hive field 0 is theme, theme data, theme mode, string theme mode. Okay. um String theme mode, or give and other thing. Field 2 is calculation method, and other, sorry, it is 1 id or 01, and other 2 is location, latitude, longitude. And 2 3 location lat, location long, gitude, latitude. Then after this, I think we need these 4, and then create the constructor, a settings object, and this dot calculation method, this dot latitude, this dot longitude, this dot theme mode, and then required need to pass required keyword here, and every final final. Then after that we need const const this settings object uh, variable thing object box is this settings object box, and we need this variable to get the object box. Okay, then here write the part is a double ting settings object dot g dot dart. We will not create this folder. This folder will automatically created automatically, and we'll check the name is same or not, and just g in the middle of that, and go to the terminal, and here you can write Flutter pub run build runner build. uh, we have mistake here. Latitude and longitude is not string, it is double. Okay, it will build this folder for us. It is error I failed because I if to duplicate number here I didn't and then run the build runner again. Succeed, alhamdulillah. My curious mind want to know if I pass errors theme mode directly, it will work or not. So run the build runner again. It says succeeded, and so can I use that really? I want to know. So initialize here. After ensure initialize, I import await hive init flutter, import hive flutter, and hive dot register adapter dot register adapter. Here you can register type adapter adapter. The register adapter is okay, or settings object. Setting object. Setting object. I import the setting object. Okay, those fields are required. So and yeah, theme mode. Okay, what can I do now? Just make those nullable, or I can register those in the first moment and give value in the first moment. And now I can register. But before that, I need to run the build runner again, I think. It is asking for not the object, it is asking for setting object adapter. And it do not require anything. I did that. Back to no. Yes, now it is right again. Yes, that was easy, but I make it complex. After that, we can wrap this with a builder value listenable builder. This value listenable builder need box and child, and it needs a value listenable which is high dot box. And the box name is settings object and dot listenable. And you can pass here this box is box of setting object, and we can get the box from here, and we can say the mode is okay. What I did here, Yes, I give it mode, and the mode is box dot box box dot of. Oh, I need to say her box of, and then I get the box, and then to paste it on box dot good values. Get or I can get it needs key settings key, and then I can get theme mode, and if it is null or dot theme mode, or what I can do. Okay, what's equal null is equal null, and if it is null, then return it is null, then return theme mode dot system, and if it is not null, then return. Okay, dot theme mode, and it need an box equal null. If it is true, then return theme mode, and if it is false, then return the settings. And is there is more? Yeah. Then in the settings page, we'll move to the settings page. Here we need also this listenable, and settings page, and here in scaffold will be wrapped with builder listenable, box and child. Box is of just the start page, like the start page, and the value is listenable, and we need to import and the box as we and what we have here, it will become hard here. I need to do something in the first place. I have to do it in here, and I the settings key I will make this a constant. Cons settings key is equal to settings key, and we copy the constant and paste here and make it a stateful wizard, because in the init state we need the hive box. We need hive box or box box is equal to box of setting object c.ing settings box is equal to hive dot box box. Here the name of the box, and the name of the box is this, and this is gets box of setting object. And after getting the setting object, just this settings box is a map dot put it needs a key, the key and a value, and give a setting key and value. This key is the key and will be same for all every. The value is setting object value, and pass here the calculation method and the latitude and the longitude and the theme mode. At first we need this nullable. We will pass only theme mode here, and to do this I will make the three nullable, give the user a choice to choose the calculation method. And here and we need to run the build runner again because I changed it here. If we put the key here, it will get the key, and we will not get any error here, so we do not need to check for null anymore. It will get the theme mode, of course, and the initial value of the settings is here is box settings. Under this theme mode, the initial value is box dot get value key is settings key dot theme mode. And yeah, then we will get a new value, and the new value, and we can pass the new value, but in the new value we need to pass the need put to put setting object box dot put here settings key, and give the object setting object here system or not system, it is new value theme mode. And then we'll pass here calculation method and latitude and longitude like the old value is dot calculation method old value dot latitude old value and longitude is old value. And then if we hot restart, we need to close the heat and run it again. I forget one line. uh, Open box setting, and you will pass here setting object box restart. Now the error is it is opened as dynamic. I can't not open it as dynamic. I need to open it as setting object. And it returned a null value because I ran it in initial state, but the problem is it is a asynchronous function. We need to wait for the box. So I think it is not right to initialize is it in here. we can pass it in the init main dart as this it gets a box and settings box. If settings box dot get the box and the box key with the key is equal null. If there is no box in this key, if there is no box in this key, then we can wait for getting the value here. Wait will not run the main this this function until it complete. So if we run it again, then again it cannot write unknown theme mode. Did you forget to register to adapter? Yes, I forget to register it in adapter. Okay, it cannot write the theme mode. I was afraid of that, and because and theme mode, I need to write a string, of course, a string, and yeah, and it will give the get the string, and it will also get the string, and it will also get the string, and so we can create the map here. Const theme mode map. This map have a value and object value. So system, then for the system value there is object theme mode dot system, and just like that. Okay, it is equal sign, I forget, and for system is system, for light is light, for dark is dark, and I need to get pass here. I pass here where a pass here system, and it will return a string to theme mode, and we need to get it in third bracket, and I will pass that theme mode map, and it will give us the theme mode we want, and for new value the, what I will do, the new value will not work. And map dot key okay entries and keys were okay. Just to make it simple, string and make it simple, text system light and dark. Need to run the build runner again. Then hot restart and look for it. Yes, we get something, but if we go to the dark, oh, it is working. Alhamdulillah. And we need method and location here also. For method, we can copy the drop down button. Not drop down button, but we can copy the container and copy all of this in of this container and paste here, and we can have this another button and we can paste here. Then we can have another button, but we do not need theme all the time. We need we need method and location. So we can give her a special and special flex is one. And special between these two is flex is two. And special between the upper container and the down container is flex is also two. And this is also two. And the down is flex is six or eight, something like that. And if I hot restart, that is more beautiful than before. And what we need is, instead of this light method, we need a method here. So go to the button. Now we can create this theme mode map, and we can create method map, calculation method map. If calculation method map can be constant because the calculation params are not constant. Calculation params are Here, somewhere I used the calculation param inside Adhan reminder. There is calculation param. I need to import it and calculation method map. Oh, sorry. Map is always map. I think. Okay. Sorry. It was string and calculation also. Map of key is string and calculation method is that is the right. And input the calculation params and then there is string and calculation param. Calculation method dot method dot Dubai. For Dubai, I will pass here Dubai and I will pass other as well. Here I pass this calculation method map, create a map of calculation method, and then I'll move the settings to the settings and down to the drop down settings, and here I can pass as it it is like here I can pass Dubai, Egypt, and Karachi. Pass at Dubai, Egypt, and check if it is appearing here or not. Okay, the value is give it to Dubai and send. Where is the problem? Okay, it is appearing here, and then we need to modify it. This value is nullable, so we can pass here null value. So in the start of the at starting, we can say the user to get take a value from here, and the thing is we can pass here box.get calculation method here, pass this calculation method, and the new value will not move to the new value. Instead of the new value will be here is not calculation method. Here we can theme mode, we'll pass theme mode, and the new value will be moved to here in calculation method for calculation box. And for latitude is old latitude, and then what we can do, we can, if we refresh, there is no value, and if we choose a value, it will take a value forever. So I am not taking the value at this time, and I can copy and paste and get the other values, and then to Dubai there is Kuwait. After Karachi there is Kuwait, and I will make the all method include on method here, so I can include on all method here, and I can see all method are in the list in our list, alhamdulillah. And I can select all method, and it will be select forever. And I need location, and the location for location I will not prefer this drop down method. I will prefer a button, a simple button, so I can remove the drop down button. Here inside child I will return text location. This text is small. I need a style. Our style is same style like this. Okay, if I save here now, and it need more thing, like I'll give it padding in vertically, 10, and give the container width infinity, and yeah. And then what I need here, I need on press, and it need to wrap it with inkwell, and on press what it will do, it will on tap, on tap it is asynchronous, and on tap one tap I will give double latitude, double longitude. After getting the latitude and longitude, and then we need this location. With this location and dot, we need to import the location dot get location, which is asynchronous, so I will put it await, and then dot, then it is location data. In the value we need value, latitude is value dot latitude, sorry, and longitude is value dot longitude. Longitude, here I get latitude longitude. After getting latitude and longitude, what we can do, we can put the value inside box. It is also a synchronous function, so wait, oh, I cannot use await here, or oh, I can use, then this calculation method is old calculation method. But this latitude and longitude is this latitude and longitude. And what we need before that, we need uh, if we run here, it will run and will not show error b, and before that, another thing I need to do is I will pass here a column, uh, wrap it with column, and this text is, I need to have two more text down here, the latitude and longitude, and the latitude is box dot get latitude and longitude, creation latitude and location longitude. it will be null at first. So what I can do, I can pass here not get yet, and it is saying it is double. So I can wrap it with and make it a two string. Not get yet dot two string. If I refresh, you can see here not set it, and the font size will be small, and the column it will the cross axis alignment will be start, and if the latitude and longitude is null, then we can ask the user for a latitude and longitude up here. Can if is equal no null, then if null, then we can return a result and text set latitude, set low, get location or give location, and same for the method. Choose a, and for the method choose a method. Calculation method, choose a method. Here the things. So we need the will appear the settings, and instead of this the stream of location data, now you can uh, cancel the location stream of location data and get the location data from settings data for from the settings object. And if the location data is error, then then it will move us to the settings page, and if we set the location and the method correctly, then it will return us to this page. Okay. So that is what we can do now, and we can remove the page, and we'll decorate it in tomorrow.
Today I am ending this method, and today assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.